Knocked him over. Iftikhar's off stump has gone for a walk. It felt he got an inside edge to it as well. Fahim Ashraf with a massive breakthrough.
Big gap between the bat and the pad for Iftikhar. Great in-dipper by Fahim Ashraf. Iftikhar Ahmed was stunned not only with this ball coming into the stumps, but he was also caught napping this afternoon in Faisalabad. Big moment in this game. Iftikhar could not make a big contribution, only scored 9 runs. Short ball offered too tall, Abdul Samad, but he will only have to blame the luck or himself. Played on to the stumps. Dream shattered for Abdul Samad.
He didn't have any idea where that ball went. It was a slower bouncer. Samad had to wait and wait for the ball to arrive. Could only bottom edge it. But after that, he didn't know if the ball was heading to the stumps. He was looking for a quick single. And then he heard the ball clattering into the stumps. Fahim Ashraf, yet another important scalp for him. Big hitting Samad. Could have made a real difference. Samad, by the time he realized it was too late and he was too far away to knock the ball away from the stumps. There you go. And it's agonizingly watches the ball hit the stumps. Gone for 2. UMT Marcos.
And it's taken. I believe this is Herrera at point. And he has taken a shot which was middled by Salman Ali Agha. So he goes for 49, and Marcos, losing their way now, have lost his 7th wicket, and still 7 overs remain.
What a good catch. What a good catch that was from Herrera. It was hit hard by Salman Ali Agha. What a time to lose your wicket. He was 1 run shy of the 50. He middled it. That was travelling. That was quick. Nevertheless, a good inning of 49 or 47 deliveries.
Yes, it was there to cut for a boundary, but Agha only succeeding in finding Herrera there at point. Wasn't along the ground, wasn't up over the head.
It is in the air. Should be out. Rana Fahim Ashraf takes 1. That's a fofa for Rana Fahim Ashraf. That's a good, smart catch and excellent bowling to go with.
Yes, a very smart catch, and 4 wickets, 4 very valuable wickets for him. He's really torn apart the lower middle order of UMT Marcos. Fahim Ashraf has answered all the questions for the Dolphins, has done what was required of him, and this was not a very clever shot. He just scored 15 in the last over. He could have stayed reasonable with Fahim and gone into the last over where Sameen Gul wasn't on top of his game. But Randhawa thought otherwise, and now he has to depart. 27 of 25.